Solari family. Lynn Solari answers your call.
The side of this bug is wide open. Catch the timing. It's a quick kill.
Seriously? You, a natural who never touched a mech, is lecturing us? Look at this guy. A defective primitive is barking orders at us now?
The fight's not over yet. Beat Lynn first, then you can run your mouth.
He's never driven a mech before. How does he read the weaknesses of an elite bug this easily?
Target's balance shifted. Right side, third jointer exposed. Weak point identified. Recommend locking on and waiting for strike window.
Yeah! The third joint! That's the weak spot!
No, it's a trap.
Shut up! Lynn finally got his shot! Yeah! Stop messing around! You don't even know how mechs work! You gonna take the blame if we lose?
Enough.
Damn it! It's a trap!
As agreed, all resource planets around Sky Prime belongs to the Hive now.
Alpha Resource Planet, report on the surface situation.
We're surrounded! The acid is eating through the building! Help!
No! No! Dad! Mom! Amy! Wait, Damien! You're gonna get yourself killed!
But they killed my family!
Cocky little bastard.
How could they overlook such an obvious weakness? They're way too dependent on AI. I need to warn them.
That thing's back kind of looks like a shrimp. There's even a shrimp line to cut.
The back! There's a thin line-like gap there. You'd miss it if you weren't looking carefully.
Don't rush, hit its back. There's a thin line like gap there. Laser right there. Now!
Yeah, that's why she's a fleet captain.
Laser right there. Now!
Good job, Lyra. Only you caught its real weak spot when it counted. That perception is beyond command skills.
Orion didn't just get lucky. He saw that weak spot from the very beginning. Is he really just an ordinary natural?
Rules are rules. You lost. Pull back for 10 years.
Rules. The strong do whatever the hell they want. Last one? That was 2 against 1. You wore our elite down before it lost. So it doesn't count. My rules.
Shameless! You bugs have no sense of honor!
Your next opponent is me.
We can't beat that thing. It's on a whole different level from the elite bugs.
I'll take this fight.
Dad, be careful.
Can't even survive 3 strikes.
Shut up, you worthless natural! Mr. Solari, our family head, is one of the top 3 pilots in the galaxy! Take off!
You're still banged up from Space Beast. You can't go. You can't beat that thing. Mother, I'm captain of the Star Voyager, a Solari. I can't let Father go down.
Humanity can't lose again. If I die today, at least I die fighting.
Critical hull breach. Cockpit pressure dropping. Cockpit pressure dropping.
This is your future. Despair. Hate. Death. You're nothing but meat, and will tear you apart, piece by piece.
Orion, this is it. If I don't do something, we're all dead.
This ring?
This is enough for me. Seeing you one last time. I'll hold them off.
Go. Survive.
Solari too.
What the hell?
아래 링크를 클릭하여 전체 동영상을 시청하세요.